Econorm is a device for cleaning the space of an automobile from information distortions connected with different types of pathogenic influences of the environment. Information distortions lead to disorders of the functionality of natural information structures. Elimination of these distortions allows all objects to function optimally. Ecological parameters of automobiles become much better. The experience in the use of the Econorm showed the following results. The driver monitors the road situation better with more attention. Reduces the toxicity of the exhaust up to 10 times. Economizes fuel up to 20%. Reduces the noise of the motor. Increases the capacity and improves the dynamic characteristics of the automobile. Increases the resource of practically all the units in the car. Lowers the possibility of malfunctioning of all the car systems. Improves the anti-corrosive stability of the car body. Cleanses the air inside the car. Eliminates the mechanical smells. Lowers the fatigability of the driver. Econorm is placed outside the fuel tank on the bottom surface or on the floor inside the car. Welcome to the Bio-Internet. Human Light System Research Project.